Hey guys, my name is Jeff Pyron. I'm the manufacturer's rep for Agricover. Agricover is the manufacturer for the Lomax tonneau cover. We have a new version of the Lomax called the Stance, and I want to show you guys today how that operates. The rails mount with 4 clamps on each side. That clamp to the bed and also to the rail. They've also got teeth that dig into the teeth that are on the rail, so it really secures it and there's not really any issues of it coming loose. It is also hail resistant. The factory shot 1-inch hailstones at 80 miles an hour and did no damage to it. So it's a very strong cover and it's very durable. You have release mechanisms on both sides. You pull the lever, flip it back. You have a second release on either side you can pull to release it. When you get it in this position, there's some restraints that you need to attach to this front panel, one on either side. And then now you're ready to stand it up. There's another release here. You can release from either side. You pull the lever, stand it up. You swing out these attachment arms that actually attach to this mounting foot magnetically. These are rare earth magnets with a very strong magnet contact. There's one on either side. And once you attach both of them, then you're able to drive down the highway or anywhere you want to go in this position. This allows you to use the full space of your bed with no interference. And for more information on the Lomax Stance, go to earlowen.com and check it out.